So you can actually create a dynamically numbered list by using the sequence and the CountA formula. So what I need to do is enter the sequence formula, so it's equal to sequence, and then use the CountA. All right, and this time around you specify your start values and the last value. So I'm going to start from my column B because those are the names I'll be entering, and then I'll do B2 to say B10. That's the range of my cells, and then I hit the enter key. So notice that when I input a new names, all right, an automatically numbered list is created. So you can see the auto numberings working dynamically. So if I do say up till the cells that I have specified. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.